We learn a little more about class, okay, by defining a class example. So class is always start with a class object or class keyword, and then the corresponding class name here, the song here, and then it is taking the lyrics as a one variable and self dot lyrics, and whatever this lyrics is self dot lyrics is accessible across this class, okay. And then we are writing a function sing me a song. So whenever we are giving some lyrics to it, it is trying to sing a song. Metaphorically, it's trying to print that song items or song related lyrics. So we have two objects are initiated here. Happy birthday. So happy birthday is one object. So this object initiated with the song happy birthday to you. I don't want to get sued, so I will stop right there. So some name, something is written here. Okay, some lyrics like, and then bulls on parade. There are other set of song is object is initiated. So now we should understand here there are two objects and being used as a song and different objects actually. This is happy birthday song and this is a parade song, but both are taking the corresponding string lyrics into as a parameter, and that is being used. And whenever I am saying happy birthday dot sing me a song, where is this sing me a song? This is a part of the this class, right? This function is part of this class. So sing me, so then corresponding what are the, when we say happy birthday, it is taking the this as the input and the corresponding output will come happy birthday to you, I don't want to get sued or something, whatever is provided here. Similar to that, bulls on parade, another song is there, that is also sing me a song, it is saying. So it is taking the corresponding relics and printing here they rally around the family with pockets full of shells. Okay. So what we should understand, when we create a object or when we initiate a object through the class, that we can use by giving the corresponding parameter and to get the corresponding output. So this is a very modular programming, like we can go into the details of the classes in the next videos. So try to use or try to put everything into the classes. This is nothing but object oriented programming. Okay.